Today's topic is refractive index. We are continuing previous session. In previous session, we discussed said that a refractive index is the ratio between a sine angle of incident in the first medium to the sine angle of refraction in the second medium. Okay. From the second law of refraction. Today we are going to again represent it is the ratio between a speed of light in first medium to speed of light in a second medium. In second medium. Clear? So refractive index also can be defined as the speed of light in the first medium to the speed of light in the second medium. So refractive index of second medium with respect to first is velocity of light or speed of light in first medium by speed of light in the second. That is also a definition. This is a relative. If the first medium is vacuum, then that case it is called as absolute refractive index. In that case, I have to write. Suppose I am going to find second medium. So first medium is air. Suppose A I wrote. Then it will become speed of light in air is denoted by C. So V2. Are you getting my point? So this is called as absolute refractive index. Absolute or refractive index. This is relative refractive index. If the first, so listen, it is the ratio between the speed of light in first medium to the second of light, speed of light in the second medium we can define, and that is a refractive index of second medium in first. Some books it is like this also written writing 1 to down it is there. Both are meaning same only. Don't worry about that. Okay. So velocity of light or speed of light in the first medium to the speed of light in the second medium, this is relative. But if the first medium is air or vacuum, then we can say that is absolute refractive index. So vacuum symbol, the air, speed of light in air or vacuum is denoted by C, so I used the symbol C and V2. Are you getting my point clear? So let us go for unit of it. What will be its unit? It is the ratio between two speeds, yes or no? So it has no unit. It is a pure ratio of speeds, so no unit. Clear? Okay. Have you copied this? Please copy so that I will erase. Another definition of absolute refractive index also we can. It is the speed of light, ratio between speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in the given medium. Suppose I'll ask, what is the absolute refractive index of? Suppose now it is given absolute. This is refractive index of glass is 1.5. What does it means? It says that ratio between the speed of light in vacuum or air to speed of light in glass is 1.5. I'll do that one. If you copy it, then I'll erase and I'll do that. Okay. See, I said now suppose I'm going to find a refractive index of glass with respect to vacuum or air. So that is, I said the velocity of light in air first medium to the velocity of light in a second medium. Clear? So what is the velocity? 3. This is 3 into 10 to the power this light in air. Instead of writing this, better to write C. Okay. Meter per second. 2.5 is something else. So that will be 25 cancel, 2 is 1.5. No unit. Are you clear now? Refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1. What I said, velocity in the first medium v1 by velocity in the second medium v2. Okay? Agree? Can I divide this both by C and this one also by C? Is there any mistake? Is there any mistake? No. So then this one will become a C by V1 is the velocity in the refractive index of the first medium. C by V1 is equal to refractive index of the first medium, but it is reciprocal, it is there. So I can add 1 by mu 1. New one. Can I write? C by n v1 is equal to n1 or not? Okay. Similarly, C by v2, this is not y, 1 divided by n1. See here also 1 divided by refractive index of second medium. Okay. This is, are you getting now? So can I simplify I can do this refractive index of second medium by refractive index of the, okay. So I mean to say that refractive index also can be, you can write the definition, refractive index of a medium, first medium with respect to second medium can also be defined as the ratio between the refractive index of the second medium to the refractive medium of the first medium. I mean to say, example, refractive index of a glass with respect to water you are going to find. Okay, that will become a refractive index of what glass by refractive index of water. Clear? This is another relation.